Hello again. This is a kind of addendum to the previous video. A couple of things. About a day after I submitted the design, or less than a day, I got this message from JLCPcb, which it's not a problem. It's just they're asking me whether I want to add some numeric or some increment, some small size increments to certain parts. I think that's non-plated through hole, plated through hole. There isn't. I don't think there is any non-plated. Oh, maybe the mounting holes are. Not sure. Plated through hole, and then 0.015. I thought about it for a while. I didn't think I'd made any tolerances anywhere near this would have any effect, so I just said the B. But I thought, given the size of the company, and that this was a $13 order, I thought that was pretty good that they're asking me whether, if I'd made it before, do I want to keep it the same way? I confirmed with them that there was no problem. I'm not really I don't really understand why this is necessary, but that's a pretty small. So these are in very small fractions of a millimeter. So it's a huge company. 4 million customers, 11.5 million orders per year. Which I'm not sponsored by them, but I wouldn't say no. But it seems like for a $13 order that someone reached out, and given that I must be one of, I have no idea how many orders they get a day or a week, but couldn't be. It must be a huge amount, I would have thought. But I did notice a problem with my design. Well, I should go back to the previous. So I noticed that the inner layers are a 1/2 ounce copper, the outer layers are 1 ounce, and I was working on 1 ounce. So there's a particular track, this track, that's not it, turn off, yes. This is a 3mm track, 1/2 ounce copper from the AC into the relay. So that's where the main current goes. So if I look at a trace calculator, 1/2 ounce, so I've just 3mm track is 1.6 amps. So I'm probably going to have to put a bodge wire from there to there, because all the rest of the high current is through one of the layers, one of the backplanes, which I can't remember. How do you get a stack up? So if I look at, so out neg, out pos, and ground, they're all, there's 2 ground backplanes, and so let me go to the circuit and bring it in. So the ground is on 2 layers, and then this high current and this high current are on layers, but what I'm worried about is the track that goes to there and to there, which needs to be maximum. Let's have a look. No, I don't. That's this. So what I'll do, I'll do this. Oh, not like that. Copy, I think. That's not the way to do it. I've forgotten. How do you duplicate? F6. What? Oh, okay. So if I put a very small resistor there and then I do a simulation and then I look at the current, yeah, this is peak for very short, but yeah, I think I need to, what does that mean? -5 amps peak to peak. Let's do that again. Steady state when it's running at 2.2 amps output. So that's when all of the outputs, so that means this current is when the output is fully on, which means this relay is shut after the inrush protection has finished its job. So we're looking at minus 9 amps peak to peak. Yeah, I calculated with an online calculator, I think it's about 6.3 amps RMS. So definitely there needs to be a wire to carry that current in there, because it's where it's the whole input pretty much. Anyway, usually the boards are back pretty quickly, which is good. And I just need to order the parts and hopefully everything arrives roughly at the same time, and then I will be able to install this bodge wire. It's annoying. I could have used what I should have probably done is use one of the back copper for that. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.